Hello everyone, welcome back to TechsChumz channel. In this video, I will show you how to adjust system sound volume separately on your iPhone in iOS 27. First, open the setting app, then go to sounds and haptics. Now scroll down and you will see options for alarms and timers, alerts and system sounds. By default, there are links to your ringtone volume, just like in older iOS versions. But now you can turn off the options that match them with the ringtone volume. After turning it off, you can adjust alerts and system sounds separately using their own volume controls. This gives you more control over your iPhone sound settings. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to TechsChumz for more tips and tutorials. And that's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to TechsChumz for more tips and tutorials. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.